Well, good evening to you. We are tracking some cold air already in place, staying in place for several days with some cold winds. We call it bitterly cold tonight. Maybe not the most snowman capable snow. It's kind of powdery, but again, the snow on the ground that's going to really factor into that coldness that we have not only tonight but over the next couple of nights. Even with more sunshine ahead of us, it's going to take a little while before we warm up, but there is a warm up next week. By then the snow will be melting away and it looks like temperatures will rebound, but still several days before that happens. We've got a stretch of some pretty cold weather. Skies have been clearing out quite a bit over the northern counties, but central and south we've held on to some high and mid-level cloud cover. All of the snow has been to the south this afternoon into southwestern Kansas. Still a band of snow moving through the southwestern portion of the state, moving down toward Oklahoma as it continues to move to the southeast. It's no longer in path to move over us. We're done with the snowfall now, but it is going to be on the ground for a little while. You can see it up to the north. A little bit more breaks in the clouds as well. This is in Jackson County at the Prairie Band Casino near Mayetta. We do have a little bit, kind of a good indicator of what the side roads are like with this parking lot view here. Parking lots and side roads have had this patchy nature to this. Where it gets packed, obviously it's snow. It's going to be slick when it's fully packed down. But as you can see, cars are traveling along most of the roads pretty well. Taking a look in Topeka, I-70 here in the foreground. Back over here, you got 470. So again, we've got pretty good movement along the interstates as those are primarily dry now. 13 degrees with a northwest breeze at 12 miles per hour, driving the wind chill to 1 below zero. Start out this morning at 8. We've been as warm as 16. That's all we've been able to muster for a high so far today. Officially picked up 2.2 inches of snow in Topeka. Most areas were in that 1 to 2.5 inch range over the region. 9 the current temperature at Marysville, 8 for Hiawatha, 13 at both airports in Topeka, and 15 at Manhattan, as well as Junction City. Then you've got that breeze that has to be factored in. And if you're outside at all, you feel it very much. 7 to 14 mile per hour north and northwest winds, dropping a wind chill to 4 below zero at Hiawatha and Marysville, already 5 below zero at Concordia. And looking ahead to tonight, this is 10 o'clock this evening. The winds won't be let up fully yet. And so wind chills of 10 to 12 below over the northwestern half of the region. Could teeter with 15 below zero up to the north. And that is tomorrow morning. Then we recover a little bit. The winds let up enough that the wind chills will recover to single digits tomorrow. We'll take what we can get. And then as we head through Friday night, Saturday morning, not as bad. The winds will be much lighter and wind chills will stay near, if not slightly above zero, before moderating temperatures a bit. By Saturday afternoon, we'll improve the wind chill as well. Wind chill advisory in effect for the northern and northwestern counties, Brown, Nemaha, Marshall, Washington, as well as Republic and Cloud counties until 10 a.m. tomorrow. So keep in mind, don't have long periods of time outdoors in those areas without fully covering up, as the winds will be producing quite the chill. Future track showing a clear sky for Friday. We'll enjoy the sunshine not only Friday, but it looks like that'll carry over into Saturday as well. Finally, some cloud cover rolling our way, just a partly cloudy sky, but that's not going to come our way, it looks like, until Sunday. Tonight, we drop down to 2 degrees in Topeka, some areas perhaps up north below zero, temperature-wise even, and again, those bitterly cold winds as well. Your KSNT Storm Track 7-day forecast, 20 for the high tomorrow, 29 on Saturday, should be above freezing on Sunday, or at least near freezing at 32. And next week, looking to be more into the 40s. We had hoped for some 50s. It doesn't look like quite enough warmth will come our way, as some clouds will roll in Tuesday with a chance for a few showers. But at that point, we would be above freezing if it arrives as expected in the afternoon hours on Tuesday. Here's a look at some of the snow. You also see one of the kind of pond areas frozen partially over. Watch out for that. That's from Cheryl Crowther in Manhattan. They're not fully frozen. Keep that in mind. From Penny Hazenkamp in Baileyville, some of the snow on the trees there with some clearing up north. And a gorgeous view there, and the birds actively enjoying the snowfall in Topeka from Cloyce and Shirley Hamilton.
And on my way to work, Matt, from I-70, the roads were pretty clear and everything, and I didn't really have any difficulties, maybe on those lesser roads, but right. For the most part, it was pretty clear. It
did really clear. Now, this morning it was a little slick in spots, especially on the side roads, but things have improved quite a bit through the day.